We're trying North Italia for the first time. The ambiance was very chill, it gave romantic, but also casual and not too upscale. We started off with the prosciutto bruschetta, and I'm not gonna lie, the size of the asparagus kind of threw me off. It was still delicious, but I feel like the asparagus could have been roasted a little bit more, as well as like diced a little thinner. Because it was messy and fell apart easily, I'd give it like a 3.5 out of 5. My husband got the braised short rib marsala, and I got the chicken scarpariello. Both of our meats were delicious and tender. I would say my chicken could have been seasoned a little bit more, and I was surprised that they came out on the bone, so these were basically chicken wings. My fingerling potatoes were amazing, and those roasted mushrooms are addicting.